Working from home has become increasingly popular over the years, and in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, it has become a necessity for many people. Here are 5 tips to help you stay productive while working from home. Set up a dedicated workspace. It's important to create a separate workspace at home that is designated for work-related activities. This can be a separate room or even just a specific corner of your home. Having a dedicated workspace will help you stay focused and avoid distractions. Stick to a routine. It's important to establish a routine and stick to it. This includes waking up at the same time every day, getting dressed as if you were going to an office, and scheduling breaks throughout the day. This routine will help you stay productive and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Stay connected with colleagues. Working from home can be isolating, so it's important to stay connected with your colleagues. Make sure to schedule regular check-ins, video calls, or chat sessions to stay in touch and collaborate effectively. Take breaks. It's important to take breaks throughout the day to recharge and avoid burnout. Take a walk outside, do some stretching, or engage in other activities that help you relax and refresh your mind. Minimize distractions. Working from home can come with many distractions, such as household chores, family members, or pets. To minimize distractions, try to establish clear boundaries with family members and establish a schedule that works for everyone. Additionally, try to eliminate any unnecessary distractions, such as social media or television, during work hours. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to our channel to stay up to date with our latest releases. Additionally, we welcome any feedback or suggestions you may have to help us improve our future videos. Thank you once again for your time.